Time na napag-usapan natin siya, bigla siyang napasok. So maybe, he has a dump account and he's just listening. Balik ako mamaya. Okay, balik ka siya. Hello G, vintage, something like that? No. Yellow and sky blue, ayun lang. Very Texas coded. And they're actually very something new siya. And it's not the typical thing that you see every day. What if Genie talaga si Kuya Cha? What if? Summer vibes to. Spring vibe? Ninja talaga siya, di ba? Hala! Sir K, pata dito ka! Sir K, umalis ka dito! May magic ka ba dito? Meron. May magic ako dito. Lang, walang magic dito. Or we don't know. Basta guys, yung sinabi ko na sa inyo, yung hint ko na lang, it's hint siya for our comeback this time. Kung idudugtong-dugtong nyo yung story ng A-Star tsaka Hieraldy, A-Star and Bingo, magigets nyo kung ano siya about. So kung galing siya sa sand, papunta siya sa beach, what's next? Ayun nga, sinabi ko na to sa kanila. Short hair na ba si Cha sa comeback? Di ko alam. Kim sa, ito ba yung type of song na masaya ipang rides like pag nasa motor? We're talking about the main track, diba? No, it's not. It's not. Ano siya? Ay, actually, yeah. Actually, depende. Gawa tayo theory. Try nyo gumawa ng theory. Construction site next. Pwede. Calm song ba or pang party? It's a calm song. It's a pretty calm song. 10 p.m. playlist siya. 10 p.m. playlist? Hindi. Feel ko nakakasakay kayo sa Vikings buong MV. Ay, wag! Ayoko. R&B ba to? No, it's not. The song is dedicated for the group or... dedicated for the group. It's about our dreams. Bingo was for our dreams. This is also for our dreams. Mostly ng mga, namin, for our dreams kasi, so... More or rap or vocal? No idea. Wala akong masasabi dyan. Motivational song? Hopefully. So for the spoiler, hello nyo, ayoko na. That was the last. No, I can't give out any more spoilers. Tsaka sir, kaya huwag ka mag-alala, hindi naman yun yung super, may lilipad ba dyan? Lilipad. Yes, may lilipad. Ako. May dance break. May dance break ba? Ayaw na niya. Ayoko na, last na. Wow, Angel. Wag na. Let's not talk about it. Island to, guys. Nasa outer space na. Exactly. Thank you, Raldi. Yugto! I miss you! Kamusta ka? It's been like ages. How are you doing? Into the island. Let's just run for our lives. Basta yun lang yung masasabi ko. Actually, nag-drop na ako ng spoiler. Sa Lire yung mag-shoot. Hindi. Yes. Diba? Lumabas yung brilyante. Hello po, Ate Brands. Miss Brenda. Anyways, anong naman? Spoiler alert. Hello, Tata Marie. Hello po. Hello, Henry. Sobrang cream loops. Kaya muna tayo nag-jamming. Hindi. Basta guys, i-overthink nyo na lang yan. Alam nyo, ito ano muna tayo ngayon? Soft hours muna tayo ngayon. Excuse me. Hello po. Hello? Sabi ni Zzz. Hello po. I am really excited. Honestly,